Recently, I've noticed that the parking lots near car shows are often more awesome than actually the car shows themselves. And around Mochico, we went to the Neo Classic Car Show. We found a crap ton of cool cars. I'm starting off here with this Celica GT, one of my favorites. I guess some people call it the Mini Mustang because it had a kind of a similar uh, three rear quarter panel look, kind of similar to the old school Mustangs. And this one here is a Suzuki Works Alto, I believe, and it's a super turbocharged. And right next to it is a Celica ST, another one of my favorites. I like the generation of this GT, the GT previously, and the ST. This body style right here, probably one of my favorites, especially when they're lowered and nice wheels and the dual carbs and the old school tuning. If you see a little bit of weird lensing artifacts, I'm using my iPhone with a wide angle lens held right in front of it, so it might be a little warping, but it's easier to get more of the car when I do it this way sometimes. So you can see the Alto next to it is kind of all warped, but I thought it was kind of cool the way it turned out. Anyways, thanks for watching. More videos to come. I'm on summer vacation, so gonna try to hit that 100 mark by the end of August. Talk to you guys later. Bye bye.